Hey, Danielle from Signature Choice Realty. If you're in the South Georgia area and want to use one of these nice fall days to work on your garden, I have a few tips of ways you can help maintain your garden and what you can plant. Now's a good time to plant or transplant vegetables such as beets, broccoli, cabbage, carrots, collards, lettuce, onions, spinach, and turnips. Speaking of vegetables, if you have any green peppers or tomatoes ready to be harvested, you should try to do that before the frost begins. Something else you can do to help your garden is to add more mulch. Having mulch in your garden is a good way to help the weed control around your plants. I also like to sprinkle Epsom salt around my pepper and tomato plants to help the late bloomers make it through the cold season. In December or January, start ordering plant seeds to plant in the spring while there are still plenty of options to choose from in stock. Before you place your order, consider creating a map of what you want your garden to look like next season. That way you don't end up ordering more seeds than you need or have room for. Gardening can be a great activity to get outside and enjoy the fresh air, but seeing your harvest after watching your plants go through their growing stages is also so rewarding. And if you think you've outgrown your home, feel free to call or text me at 229-474-7467 so I can help you find a new home to plant your roots.